Now we need to cut 2 skirting blocks to the rear of our stud wall, above the floor plate, so that we've got something to fix our screws to. Again, using our stud hook 90, we'll cut these 2 blocks. Tap them into place, ready for nailing. Again, we use diagonal nailing and we fix these 2 blocks in place. As you can see, these are the blocks that will support the skirting. Now we screw and fix pilot holes and 2-inch 10s through to our stud work. Now we need to cut an external mitre. Mark our length, mark the direction of the mitre. Clamp a block to the back of your skirting to create a running rail for the stud hawk 45. Now we'll cut our skirting mitre. We're cutting this from the opposite side, and this is reversible skirting, which has a Taurus side as well as an OG side. As you can see, the stud hawk is even good for cutting thin slivers. Next, we need to cut a coping saw cut. On an internal, a skirting board is never mitered. It's always this cut that we use to follow the curve of the piece. So we take an offcut and we mark around our offcut on the end of our skirting, and we're going to coping saw this out to the profile and form of the skirting we need it to meet. We'll just hatch the area so that we know what we've got to remove. This is a coping saw for that cut. It has a thin blade and can be turned slowly whilst cutting to form curves. It gives better results than a jigsaw, so use a coping saw. When you've cut your profile, offer it in, mark the lengths. You can't see the bottom of the architrave, so it's a good idea to put a mark on the floor so that you know where the line of the bottom of the architrave is. As you can see, it's blind, so transferring the mark to the floor and then to the skirting is a more accurate way of doing this. Glue, fix and screw. We've cut that to length and it fits beautifully. All we need to do now is lift it off the floor with our little blocks for a carpet gap underneath. When we get to the corners of our external mitres, we again use 2-inch panel pins. As you can see, it squeezes a bit of glue out and tightens the mitre. Don't forget to punch these nails before decoration. There you go, job done.